Boom! What have we here? Another GCSE question for you. This is a past GCSE question. So, this happens all the time. People will look at these crazy numbers and be like, I just can't do it. And they won't even notice the fact that they told you to estimate. They didn't ask you to tell you what this exactly is without the use of a calculator. They just ask you to estimate it. So estimate it. So let's now clear this up. Now, they will give you a lot of leniency right here. So don't make it too hard for yourself. 1.81. You can either round it. You can round it to 1.8. Hey, you can even round it to 2. Whatever makes your life easier. Okay? I want my life to be real easy. So I'm going to go for 2. Now, 0.49. Come on, you know that's close to 0.5. You know, it's like they're handing it to you. You cannot round it to 1. You cannot round it to 0 because anything times 0 is 0 and the whole thing will just become 0. So you just need to round it to 0.5, which is just a half, which you know is a half. And on the bottom, look at it. This is a square root. You know, to make this easier for yourself, you need to round this to a square number. Now, let's see. I know that 9 times 9 is 81. So 81 is a square number that's conveniently close to this. So that's what I'm going to change 80.2 into. So, because I'm estimating it. So, now, 0.5 times 2 is the same as me saying, what's a half of 2? A half of 2 is 1. The square root of 81 is 9. Boy, well, there's my answer, 1 over 9. Now they want you to give it as a decimal. Now, this is where I've showed you before how to turn a fraction into a decimal. 1 over 9 just really means 1 divided by 9. So, first number goes inside. Last number goes outside. I already know 9 doesn't go into 1, so I need to put my decimal point and set up a couple zeros just to get ready. So, how many times does 9 go into 1? Well, we already know it doesn't go. Line up the decimal points. What's left over that I haven't shared? 1. This number's now 10. 9 goes into 10 one time. Remainder 1. This number's now 10. 9 goes into 10 one time, remainder 1. This number's now I think you know there's a pattern. So I think by now you can already see that this is just going to be 0.1 recurring. So 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Matter of fact, any number with 9 at the bottom is going to be recurring. So 2 over 9 is just 0.2 recurring, and so it goes on so forth. So that's the trick with that. But anyway, the answer with this is 0.1111.